Manipur celebrates 45th Statehood Day. Prime Minister Modi greets the people on the day. DEO Imphal West continues EVM and VVPAT awareness campaign ahead of assembly polls at Lamshang. CJM Imphal East remands UNC's guide on Kamayan Sankal Stephen to judicial custody till February 4th. People demonstrate against economic blockade at Khairamban Bazaar. Shops remain shut during protest. And US Polo Association won the second Manipur Statehood Day Women's Polo Tournament. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangtam with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Manipur today celebrated the 45th Statehood Day. Manipur became a state this day on 1972. In a speech as a chief guest at the celebration held at the conference hall of Manipur Secretariat, Chief Minister Okrami Bobi asserted that despite its limited resources and financial crunch, the state has been able to make commendable achievements since it attained statehood. Expressing concern over the prevailing situation in the state, the Chief Minister stated that the problem of underground outfits can be resolved through dialogues. He maintained that the underground outfits cannot dictate the government. The Chief Minister stated that Manipur tops the list of the states in health and power sectors. He said the state has become a role model in the country in power sector. In a speech, Deputy Chief Minister Gakanga maintained that there has been a sea change in all fronts in the state in the last 45 years. He said to become a developed state by 2020, all the stakeholders should cooperate with each other in the coming days.
People are fed up with this element. Almoina cannot talk the bagi, Moina, certain tower Koraga, Moina, head high behind the boy, Jaya Roy, they cannot dictate. No, she don't see Yani, see Yaroi, Haido, and my Tauragadi, I give Prajas City, cry, Howard Palette, cry, and money. After all, they are all our brother, our sister. The Queen of Moina, what we step keep the later, sorry. Sorry.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi today greeted three northeastern states of Manipur, Tripura and Meghalaya on their statehood day. In a series of tweets, Modi said, "Greetings to the people of Manipur on their statehood day. I hope Manipur will remain blessed with joy and prosperity under the Northeastern Areas Reorganization Act 1971. Manipur, Tripura and Meghalaya attained statehood on January 21st, 1972. District Election Officer Imphal West today launched electronic voting machine EVM and voter verified paper audit trial VVPAT familiarization and awareness campaign in connection with upcoming assembly elections at Lamshang Bazaar. As a part of the campaign, the people of the area, including students, were given awareness on how to operate EVM and VVPAT machine to cast their votes. A signature campaign was also carried out during the campaign. District Election Officer Imphal West Robert Singh Khetrimayum said the campaign is organized with the objective to raise awareness among the people on how to cast their vote using EVM and VVPAT. For the first time in Manipur, VVPAT will enable the voter see the serial number, name and symbol of the candidate he has chosen. The campaign was launched in Khairamban Bazaar and will also be launched at different places of the district.
लाकदोरिबा इलेक्शन सिदा कोई प्रजा सिंगना वोट थादब मतमदा ईवीएम सिगी मतंग दा फजना खंगबीबा अमदि नौना हनकता इंट्रोड्यूस तौजरिबा कोई स्टेट असेंबली इलेक्शन की सिदा सिजनगदोरिबा वीवीपैट सिगी मतंग दा फजना खंगबीबा अना वीवीपैट अमदि ईवीएम मशीन सिगी कोई मोगी इम्पोर्टेंस अमदि मसी करमाइना ऑपरेट तवी वीवीपैट हाइसिना कइनो मसीदा अखोइना वोट थादब मतमदा वीवीपैट ता अखोइना थादरिबा कैंडिडेट की सीरियल नंबर दो थोरकदौरिबने मसी सिंगसे अखोइना येंगबो फंगदौरिबने अदना मसी सिंगसे अखोइना लोइना खंगबा मतमदा अखोइगी फ्री फेयर अमदि पीसफुल अखोइ इलेक्शन सिनबसिदा याम चावना मतेंग ओइगनी मसीगी ऑब्जेक्टिव से अखोइ फंगबा ngamgani हाइबगे आसादा अखोइना सिदा सिनजबनी.
A state-level drawing competition was held today in connection with the National Voters' Day celebration on the 25th of this month. The competition was held on the theme "Every Vote Counts" for students from class 9 to 12 as a part of the systematic voter education and electoral participation sweep at Kangshang Kuman Lampak. The painting competition was held in other districts also to encourage voters since the second week of this month. 10 students selected from every district took part in today's competition organized by Chief Electoral Officer, Manipur. State Nodal Officer Wahengbam Chandrakumar said 10 students will be selected from the 84 students who participated in today's drawing competition, and the best two will be participate in National Voters' Day to be held on January 25th in New Delhi, while the remaining 8 will be given prizes on National Voters' Day at City Convention Center.
District level winner tara na pullaga ngasi pangthu state level drawing competitions da aikona amu winner tara khangat jagani khangat liba winner tara sigi manungda first and the second tabaduna Delhi da pangthok kadoba National Voters Day gi celebration da yauna na ba akoina achangba punama crush puthoga thajagani aduga lemhoriba prize winner nipan na Manipur da pangthok kadoba National Voters Day gi celebration City Convention Center pangda pangthok kadoriba sida kokholaga khogi pricing Chief Secretary na Chief Guest oiraga mana matum yenthokjagani.
Students who took part in the competition said people should not be tempted by muscle and money power. They said the people have the responsibility to elect the right representatives who will bring changes in the state.
Kan discrimination leiteba sida ningisi khongtek paso adagi mitang maso loina hangi so laina ma bot hasan dabya deba botar haisi adna bot hajaragadi mais loina countong we yawe ma hai hajini
pasanung salaraga akhoi valuable or bot che akhoi right che akhoi pasanung sana acho missing na lehen gum se hai.
Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal East today remanded United Naga Council President Gaidon Kamai and Publicity Secretary Shankil Stephen in connection with the destruction of vehicles during indefinite economic blockade till February 4th. However, the court gave them the permission to attend a tripartite talk scheduled for the 23rd of this month. Gaidon Kamai and Shankil Stephen were today produced in the court of Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal East at Lumfield in connection with cases of burning of vehicles during the blockade. The public prosecutor requested the court not to grant them bail as the persons involved in burning of a Tata truck with rice at Shibalong on Jiribam Imphal Road are yet to be arrested and the case is still going on. The defense counsel told the court that Gaidon and Stephen were not involved in the case and they have been invited to the tripartite talk by the state government. He prayed the court for grant of bail so that they can attend the talk. The judge denied them bail as the case just began and remanded them to judicial custody till the 4th of next month. The court also directed the SP Central Jail Situa to make arrangement to allow them to attend the tripartite talk. Representatives of 27 different organizations of the Hills and Valley today held demonstration against the economic blockade in Khairamban Bazaar. The protest was organized by Khairamban Bazaar Imakai Thelapun Balub and Protection and Preservation Committee Manipur PBCM demanding immediate suspension of UNC's indefinite economic blockade. PPCM convener PH Deban Sharma said representatives of Meitei Naga, Kuki and Meitei Pangal organizations took part in the protest. He said, in a democratic country, the government in the state and the center must listen to the people's voice. He questioned if there is meaning of democracy when the government in the state and center fails to listen to the people's voice and accuse each other. He expressed apprehension whether they are supporting the demand of the NSC and IM. Devan alleged that even though the economic blockade on national highway is against the law is helpless in Manipur.
Manipur da ngasi sangna chatharakpa asigumba economic blockade se kanagumba atopa state to oragadi nahana masi prime minister changjandana home minister changjandana loisandana bhona ngani adubu Manipur hariba lamdam mase India gi yamna mainland India da yamna isolated oiba border state amo oibanina neglect tawi habse masina su adu mayek seng ta abane Manipur miyamna waraganda thengnariba khudong thiba mayam chingche masida ko annaba aikoi gi damakta kanam to laite center government laite Manipur government laite aikoi gi bu Manipur miyamna aikoi isana isabu aikoi gi ngasi thengnariba awana singase masidagi koknanaba aikoi punna wakalon taminaraganda aikoi gi anauba lambel ama thiminabado matam oirabra haiba wafam se ai thamjari.
Harry Khan and Lipun blamed the political parties of focusing more on election than solving the 82-day-old economic blockade. Harry Khan and Lipun will organize a meeting on public opinion on the current situation and the upcoming assembly election at GM Hall. Speaking to media persons in connection with the meeting, Harry Khan President Longjam Ratan Kumar said the indefinite economic blockade has caused immense sufferings to the public, but the state and central governments are playing blame game on the issue rather than trying to solve it. He said it is time for the public to ponder over the role of political parties in solving issues and understand their stance.
Economic blockade sibu tawiriba kangbuda masi handokpiu miyamgi awana zi yengaga masibu kohanbiu masigi solution pubiro haibase kayarak hanna appeal tawgre kayarak hanna haijagre hairibo punamakse ngasi phawbadi uttagi haiba haigadra kaimta kanabazi phangdaba UNC economic blockade si loisandaba politics ki khudong saba launana bo honadana state amadi central government anina amada maran thangjinnabi thabakse jum tawrga leibse koi ure.
BJP aspiring candidates who failed to get party ticket have expressed dissatisfaction at the allotment of ticket in the party. Those who have failed to get tickets said they will leave the party and fight the election from another party. Ex-General Secretary Haingang Mandal M. Lalit Chandra said they will not let BJP win election in Haingang constituency as P. Sarachandra was not given the BJP ticket. Speaking to media persons, he said giving off ticket to the intending candidates who joined the party recently so that state and national leaders of BJP are highly corrupt. He said 13,000 party members and 190 executive members will leave the party. BJP intending candidate P. Sarachandra said he will leave the party and fight the election from another national party.
Minna kuppada luishan bayabi economic blockade asibu BJP leader kayana home minister unaduna prime minister unaduna Manipur gi economic blockade ase tokpi na ba haijaki ayabadi hanjan piraga ngasi phawbadi economic blockade toktana parja mayam wahanduna leirabase BJP gi aron ba agenda am leirabra BJP na Manipur ase thugai ge haina khanbra BJP haibase Manipur gi damaktadi yengna bani BJP ngasi dagi di tokchere atopa dol amadai
Narendra Modi ji ga phawa khalo leirangone thajajari tokthore ba thabak thongsing asi urugadi BJP aibase karma party no haibido ngasi mayek chumna khange huwa mitrani khallaga praja miyam da pithakka do adugma party se ngasi degi Haingang kendra gi BJP mandal oin leijariba aikone enrollment tawjaruba primary amadi active mero punamak se BJP degi khoi tokcharagani.
Locals of Wangoy also expressed dissatisfaction over BJP not giving the party ticket to Khoraisam Loken. Locals of Yumnam Huidrom Thiam Leishangkong felicitated Khoraisam Loken even though he failed to get the BJP ticket. Speaking on the sidelines of the function, Khoraisam Loken said he will take the decision to join another party and fight the election after discussing with the people. He said he will not criticize BJP for not giving him the party ticket. He said a candidate will win the election with the votes from the public, not with the help of BJP.
Ticket phangde haidna ai ningan na balai te engonda praja chilinaw na lengdana laiba matamda lokena kaidawai da hangida bunu pas na te BJP na vote pi gida na te Congress na vote pi gida na te wangoi kendra gi praja na vote pi ra ka ga da ni pa ne haiba thauna ma isa da lai da huju se yung lai banu pa kana gumba mioi kharna aibu party gi ticket phangdana hona ba asauba Thang ama thangjan biramni ai khangi Manipur sida party gi ticket tanaba matamda paisa na wano maga chatpa party ticket tanaba chalamagadi damdam sida aina masi khangamagadi ai naha na aina ticket phangoi ai ningai su leite
BJP Manipur Pradesh Minority Morcha expressed dissatisfaction at the missing of the name of minority Pangals aspiring candidates from the final list announced in the media except for Lilong constituency. General Secretary Administration of BJP Minority Morcha Muhammad Nazimuddin told the media at Manipur Press Club today that 18 aspiring candidates from Kairao, Lilong, Wabagai, Khitrigao and Wangkim have applied for BJP ticket. He said this can be taken as suppression of the minority Muslim in the state by the BJP, Manipur Pradesh and the centre. He said the minority Pangal extends its support to the BJP in its fight to end the 15 years of Congress rule in Manipur. He asserted that the minority Pangal must be trusted and urged the party to give tickets to the minority Pangal.
BJP de mapung phana support tawraga akhoi Congress government sibu inthuba haibasi akhoi gi asauba pandamni marak sida laibak thiba haigadra akhoi na khanna jarakhiba aduga state amadi central na BJP gi leader sing na akhoi da pirakhiba commitment adugi ona taina bada tawrakhiba sina maram oiraga akhoi da su nungai taba ninghanaba muslim praja singi marak te lai lemhauriba kendra kunmapan gi lauthokadori basida tangai fadana muslim gi oiba Lilong da pikriba asum haina yamdragasu mafam ahumda suhanbiyo haibasima aina state amadi central gi BJP gi leader singda aina appeal tawjari.
It's time for a small commercial break. Lots more coming up right after this break. Stay tuned.
Touch the pinnacles of success for your children. Get enrolled to one of the finest schools in Northeast India, UNESCO School. Excellence in education.
World-class interventional cardiology at Sky Hospital, performing non-operative closure of hole in heart and RF ablation. Don't delay. Hurry for consultation with Chief Cardiologist Dr. L. Shamkishore for hole closure, RF ablation, coronary angioplasty requirement and other procedures like pacemaker, ICD, CRT, combo angiogram are also available.
Yumanungi application ki mapung faba solution piriba Durasign G66 seasonabio. Durasign asi Tata Blue Scope Steel Limited ki flagship retail brand ni. Durasign liner ki khudong chaba sing di yumanungi amasung mapan ki application ki khwaidagi yang ba phanglang kupnaba. Yan thaba siling amasung phaklang khaidoknaba gi irai laiba solution pi. Panel sing ado phaiba amadi chap yung ba mai kai install to bayai. Durasign Tata Blue Scope Steel.
Abema, nang natamibi school IPS have to do yam chiksi lifai hai nei kam do gine.
My school is quality based English school. It has very competent teachers. They are highly qualified. The principal of my school is a strict disciplinarian. He teaches the student in higher classes.
Hey ma, isa di IPS ki boarding the lerup dagi English ki command so phajna le re, lyrics so am hai re, personality talent so phajna le re na.
To speak English is compulsory at a school and boarding. I have the habit of speaking English all the time.
Adom ki angang singbo Kanchipur da leba IPS hybrid Impal Public Higher Secondary School the Ming Chanbio loinan afaba bahiroi bayanbio.
Beneath 100 meters from the Earth's surface, naturally filtered through saline stones, pure, clean and healthy water.
Welcome back to the break and you're watching Primetime English News. Police arrested a Sergeant Major of the United National Liberation Front, UNLF, at Kaishampad, Kaishamlaikai. A team of police led by Additional SP, Ops Imphal West, Dr. S. Ibomcha arrested a UNLF cadre at Kaishampad, Kaishamlaikai yesterday afternoon around 3:30 p.m. He is identified as Thiam Nungshithoi Maitai, alias Lokhon, alias Buno, alias Sapaba, 34 years, son of Thiam Manihar of Iroshimba, Mang Hidin Mayai Laikai in Imphal West. Sources said he joined KYKL in 2002 and then joined UNLF with 7 other cadres along with 1 M16 and 4 AK rifle in 2005. He was arrested by police in the early part of 2002. A joint team of police personnel commando Imphal Police Station conducted cordon and search operation at Sagolban Tingom Laikai today ahead of Republic Day celebrations to prevent untoward incidents. The police cordoned off the area from 5 a.m. till 7 a.m. and verified the people. 11 persons without proper ID document were picked up for further investigation at Imphal Police Station. A team of Imphal East Police and Commando also conducted cordon and search operation at Chekon today. The operation was conducted under the supervision of Imphal East Additional SP Operation K. Meghachandra from the western part of the Chekon till Chekon Minuthong Road. 13 persons including 5 women were picked up for further verification at Porumpad Police Station. Rotary Club Polo City Imphal celebrated its 7th Foundation Day yesterday at Classic Grande. The club handed over ₹1,01,000 to a minor girl with heart problem to help her treatment. The club members contributed the amount. Fire destroyed a 2-storied shop at Sangaipro last night. It is suspected that short circuit might have caused the fire. The shop, made of wood, belonged to Oinam Indrani. The lower floor was used as an automobile repair shop while the top floor was rented out. Fire tender controlled the fire from spreading further. Family sources said the commodities including 2-wheelers worth about ₹15 lakh were destroyed in the fire. People staying in the top floor sustained minor injuries when they jumped out of the house. Yumkaibam Athletic Development Association, Yada, and Kirgaon Makhalaika Yumkaibam Masjid Committee have banned sale of drugs and alcohol in Kirgaon Yumkaibam Makhalaika. Yada, in a press release, appealed for support from club, Mairapaipi, and civil organizations. Parents and guardians of 125 students who have deserted the hostel of Sai Special Area Games at Kuman Lampak Main Stadium have stated that they will not send back their children until their in-charge boxing coach Laishangteb Ibomcha is replaced. They allege that the children are not given proper facilities and the coach did not treat them well. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club, the parents said the players rained out of the hostel as they were not treated well. The father of a player, Saubam Lokhon, said a teacher of Sai told him over phone that the teachers will get their monthly salaries whether they are a student or not. A woman said one of her 2 sons was expelled from the Sai following an incident that she was driven out by boxing coach Ibomcha when she went to request him for his forgiveness. Tokchom Sejor, father of another player, said he was asked on phone to send back all the players by yesterday afternoon and threatened to expel all the students.
Ngarang ayukta ojasine muna telefon tawre ngaido ngasi ngarangi pungani makai bau kimanung da tinjelak ta targadi hostel tegi tan thoni haidan adi matungda oja ibomchana telefon sipaire da mana hairak pase aikoina moida phugi ba chai ba kasu lete moigi management wa pelete chan ok haibedo di hoji BJP ne sarkar paibani na madu piba git ayaba letabani koina pide karigumba masta yada targadi naron tha dagan haron tharkani na hai
phone da moina war amakati hairaki ai koi oja am khangna mai tona nga ga chen thok jo birabra na ai ni jore yumda ada koi mana haiba wa yam du tab do yam noi jade akoi di moi leitraga ju akoi oja jing di tolo soina num phangni chhatra leitra ju jai hai masi mi da yam pinjade chhatra leitraba oja du na kramba phabo oja or kadino.
A legal aid clinic has been opened with the objective to state drugs and alcohol addicts. The clinic was opened jointly by Manipur State Legal Services Authority (MASLSA) and Nirvana Foundation at Nirvana Foundation's Not AOC. A legal awareness program was also held where experts spoke on the rights of the marginalized people and welfare schemes of the marginalized people. Leichin Kumkiba Taja, a novel by Sahitya Academy Translation Prize awardee Waikumcha Ibodombi, was launched at a function organized by Cultural Forum Manipur at Manipur Hindi Parishad Hall, All Assembly Road today. The novel is the 13th book of the author. Election Commission has asked Niti Aayog not to hold special Gram Sabha in Panchayats on this year's Republic Day in poll-bound UP, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Manipur and Goa. The poll panel said special meetings of Panchayats can be organized in the poll-bound states only after the assembly elections are over. The Commission observed that the Aayog should have taken its approval before writing to all collectors, DMs and DCs of the country regarding holding special Gram Sabha to outline priorities of citizens in every panchayat. It said it came to know from CEO Goa that the Aayog is organizing such meetings in every panchayat. Now to sports news. United States Polo Association have won the second Manipur Statehood Day Women's Polo Tournament. They trounced Hurlingham Polo Association United Kingdom 9-3 in the final match played today at Imphal Polo Ground. US Polo Association's Carly Persona scored 4 goals, Anna Winslow 3, while Andy Persona scored 3 goals. Hurlingham Polo Association Sarah Jen Hughes, Charlotte Amy and Annabelle McNaught scored 1 goal each. 3 women teams competed in the tournament. Kongman Students Club and CEO Singtumai Wangma Ketri Laikai won the respective match of the Senior Men's Manipur and Women's Hockey League. In the second Men's League match, Kongman Students Club trashed YCCIC Kontha Halup 8-3. Bakir, Nelson and Kiran scored 2 goals each, while Mahesh and Thongamba scored 1 goal each for the winners. In the third league match, CEO Singtumai Wangma Ketri Laikai dropped Pam Yaiskul 14-1, M. Premchand scored 6 goals, T.H. Henthoiba and I. Stalin scored 3 goals each, while G. Dinku scored 2 goals for the winners. 7 men's teams and 5 women's teams are competing in the tournament. Oinam Kendra Kankud have won the 18 Hunger Marches League Cum Knocked-Out tournament. In the final play today at Ibudho Moirang Pokpa Shanglin, Oinam Kendra Kankud beat Wangoi Kendra Kankud 17-10 to win the title. The winners were presented with trophy and rupees 10,000, while the runners-up received a trophy and rupees 7,000. Oinam Kendra Kankud's A opened backed the best Chekpai and man of the match, while O Babu backed the best Lamtha prize.
Lining the Liga and the City Center Olga, the Tadu Mayaba, Amna, Uba, Luciba, or Leva, Sanamasi, the sea, no Nogi, where over mirrors and Tamataba, and the Toy Masida, Hanamansi, Mayamana, Maroina, the Hasi, Mitra, Hawaii, Water Rose, Hanamansi, Mayamana, System Kokana, Masi Saraba, Ocean Midana. Masih beryokat bidana, masih berhian bidana, apa lekai kemudian kawasi, itu kalau pemilu orang masih apa itu sih.
Before we end the bulletin, a quick look at the headlines once again. Manipur celebrates 45th Statehood Day. Prime Minister Modi greets the people on the day. DEO Imphal West continues EVM and VVPAT awareness campaign ahead of assembly polls at Tlemcen. CJM Imphal East remands UNC's guide on Kame and Sankil Stephen to judicial custody till February 4th. People demonstrate against economic blockade at Quairaman Bazaar. Shops remain shut during protests. And US Polo Association won the second Manipur Statehood Day Women's Polo Tournament.